Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we take the guesswork out of your next big purchase. Today, we've got a battle of epic proportions: the Anycubic Photon Mono M5s 12K resin 3D printer versus the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo 3D printer. It's like watching a heavyweight match between a laser-sharp samurai and a speed demon ninja. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about something that hits us all right in the wallet: price. The Photon Mono M5s is priced at $559. That's like buying a small island, but hey, it promises 12K resolution. On the other hand, the Kobra 2 Neo comes in at a cool $239. It's practically a steal. You could buy 2 Kobra 2 Neos and still have enough left over for a decent dinner. Advantage: Kobra 2 Neo. Now, let's hit the gas pedal and talk about print speed. The Photon Mono M5s claims to have 3x faster printing, clocking in at an average of 105 millimeters per hour. Impressive, right? But wait, there's more. The Kobra 2 Neo boasts a maximum print speed of 250 millimeters per second. That's like comparing a tortoise to a cheetah on a caffeine high. Kobra 2 Neo takes the lead again. Alright, speed isn't everything. Sometimes you want those fine details, like a Michelangelo sculpture. The Photon Mono M5s flaunts a 12K resolution with a 10.1-inch monochrome LCD screen, achieving X accuracy of 19 microns. It can print details as fine as a human hair. Meanwhile, the Kobra 2 Neo has a new integrated extruder and cooling system, ensuring rapid cooling and molding. But let's be honest, 12K resolution is like having a telescope for a 3D printer. Advantage: Photon Mono M5s. Now let's talk ease of use. The Photon Mono M5s is leveling free thanks to its floating platform technology and internal sensors. It's practically doing yoga while printing. The Kobra 2 Neo counters with LeviQ 2.0, automatic leveling, and Z-axis compensation. It's like having a personal assistant for your printer. Both are pretty user-friendly, but the Photon Mono M5s is like having a printer that meditates. Slight edge to Photon Mono M5s. Speaking of brains, the Photon Mono M5s is pretty much the Einstein of 3D printers. It has auto device check, resin detection, and can even analyze common printing failure. It's like having a printer that doubles as a therapist. The Kobra 2 Neo, on the other hand, uses Marlin firmware to reduce spillage and improve print quality. Both are smart, but Photon Mono M5s is like a Mensa member. Advantage: Photon Mono M5s. Last but not least, customer service. The Kobra 2 Neo comes with a 1-year after-service, print head warranted for 3 months, and heated bed for 6 months. Plus, lifetime technical support. The Photon Mono M5s doesn't mention customer service, so it's like a mystery box. No contest here, Kobra 2 Neo takes the cake. Reviewers have praised the Anycubic Photon Mono M5s for its high-quality prints and ease of use, although there is a learning curve. Users appreciate its detailed output but caution about understanding settings and resin options. On the other hand, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is lauded for its speed, ease of setup, and robust build quality. Some users have faced issues with software and print reliability, but overall it is seen as a high-speed, user-friendly option. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for speed and value, the Kobra 2 Neo is your go-to ninja. But if you want unparalleled detail and a printer that practically thinks for you, the Photon Mono M5s is your samurai. Either way, you're winning. That's it for today's battle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep buying smart.